Hi everyone, my name is Becca and I'm with the Engineering Success Center, and today I'm going to be showing you some Moodle tips and tricks. So what I'm first going to show you is in your dashboard. When you first open your dashboard, you see your recently accessed courses and then your course overview. What I'm going to be showing you is in your course overview. So there's two ways to sort your courses when you're in your course overview and a way to change how they're displayed. So the first way to sort your courses is to click here. And this changes what courses you see. So you can sort them by seeing all of your courses, seeing your current courses, seeing your future courses, seeing your past courses, seeing starred courses, or seeing hidden courses. Closing that. If you want to star a course or to hide a course, you click on these three dots here, and you can choose to star a course or hide a course. Closing that. The second way to sort your courses is to click over here, and this changes the order that you see your courses in. You can see them by course name, which shows them alphabetically, or last accessed. I find last access to be the most useful because it means that I can go right back into where I left off the last time I closed Moodle. Closing that, we now have the way to change how your courses are displayed. So by default they're in the card mode, but if you don't want to have all of the big cards taking up your screen, you can also choose list mode. This mode just shows the name of the course and the completion bar. There's also another way to sort your courses, which is summary. I don't find this way to be particularly helpful, but it's there if you would like to use it. Moving on from your dashboard is your calendar. In your calendar, you can see your assignments listed by the day that they're going to be on. If you want to access an assignment, you can just click on it, and it'll bring you to the page for that assignment. If you have an assignment or event coming up and it's not in your calendar by default, you can scroll up and hit New Event. You will get the New Event pop-up where you can enter the event title, the date and time, and the type of event it is. When you're done doing that, you can hit Save, and your new event will show up in your calendar. Finally, the last thing I want to show you is actually always at the bottom of your page, and that is the Library Resources section. Usually, there's a chat box here if you have any questions for the library staff. I like to use it if I have any questions about resources that I may need for a project. Because the chat box is offline right now, you can also contact them using this button here, which will give you a couple of other options to contact them. There's also links here for the library homepage and the academic integrity rules. In this section, you also have the Search the Library function, where you can search for any articles, books, or resources that you may need from the library straight from the Moodle page. That's everything that I have to show you. If you have any other questions, you can contact us in person or online Monday through Thursday from 2 to 6 p.m. or on Saturdays online from 1 to 4.